Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to simply insert image in text in Illustrator software. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular image right here, I'm going to show you how we can easily insert image into this text. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to simply select this particular image right here. I'll make sure I delete. Then I have to make sure I go ahead and navigate to my type tool right here. Click on my type tool. And after click on my type tool, I will type image inside text. Okay. So I'm going to press Ctrl A to highlight, then I will properly align the text right here. Then I will reduce the font size. And you can use any type of font as the case may be. So once I'm satisfied, then I'm going to position the text right here. So how do we insert image in this text in Illustrator? So whatever version of Illustrator you are using, just follow this step. First thing first, select on text. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you up right here. Go ahead and click on window. And from window, go ahead and make sure you Pathfinder right here. Or better still, you press Shift key plus Control plus F9 on your keyboard. And this Pathfinder dialog box here is going to come up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider from the top right here. Go ahead and click on Make Compass Shape. Just like so. Having make it a compass shape, next thing you want to do is to import your image into the Illustrator workspace. And for that, go ahead and come to the top right here, click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to Place right here. Right here, go ahead and select your image. So I'm going to select this image right here. I will click on Place. I will drag all over and make sure it's captured the image, the text right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to right click on the image. Then I'll go ahead and go to Arrange and Send to Back. Now we have the text overlay the image. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we'll select everything right here, both the text and the image. And one next thing we want to do here is to right click. Then what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on Make Clipping Map. Then you have the image inside the text. Now what we want to do right here, we can adjust and edit the content of our clipping mask. For that, go ahead and click on Objects. Go ahead and click on Clipping Mask. Go ahead and click on Edit Content. So once you click on Edit Content, this will allow you to position the image right here. So select the back. Then go ahead and click on Object again. Clipping Mask. Edit Content. Then here I can position the image. Everything depends on how you want your image to appear. So once you are satisfied with it, then you are good to go. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply place image inside text in Illustrator. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.